last 18 months has taught us a little bit about where we've been, where we want to go, and some of the places that we haven't been able to visit. We realize that although we have been all over the world and have had so many fun adventures and been able to explore so many great places, we haven't explored our own backyard. So we decided when this opportunity came up that we were going to explore the great out west together. Our adventure starts in Vegas. Here we are in Las Vegas. We are going to head out, explore the area, and explore the Strip, and then we are headed to dinner tonight at the Cosmopolitan.
Night's rest in the Mirage last night.
Yeah. Oh, you did. I didn't.
I had a good night's rest. Kristen didn't have such a good night's rest.
No, not super good.
So we are in Bryce Canyon, and we left Las Vegas about 7 o'clock this morning.
We did. We left Las Vegas about 7 o'clock. We almost didn't leave Las Vegas this morning because the tour company thought that John and Gail were supposed to be on the bus, not Rob and Kristen.
Right.
And so there was a little bit of confusion, and we finally figured out that Rob and Kristen were actually supposed to be on the tour.
A little bit of Vegas drama.
Yeah, a little bit of Vegas drama. But we got out of Vegas, and we drove about 2.5 hours, and we spent several hours in Zion National Park, which is really, really beautiful.
I wouldn't say we did hiking, I would say we did walking.
We did walking, but it was not, it was
very pretty.
It was pretty and it was nice. It was easy, but it was also, I mean, I felt like I exercised.
Oh, we definitely exercised because it was hot.
It was a great day, saw some beautiful things, lots of people out and about visiting the national parks. It was great.
We're here in Bryce Canyon. We're eating dinner tonight at a place that's a dinner and a show, Ebenezer's Barn and Grill. Probably tells us a little bit about the
some
thing.
Barbecue and some entertainment.
Yeah.
And then we get back on it tomorrow, and we actually visit Bryce Canyon, and then we're making our way towards Moab, which I'm super, super excited about.
So we'll enjoy hanging out here and having some fun tonight, and hopefully get a good night's rest.
Yes.
Because tomorrow is going to be another full day. Thank you. every time that you think you have seen the most beautiful thing, you come upon something else that you realize is the most beautiful thing.
Absolutely. Bryce Canyon is amazing, gorgeous. One of the most amazing hiking experiences I've ever had. And I've been on quite a few lately, so.
Absolutely incredible.
Yeah. We are in Moab. I always thought it was called Moab because, I am from Alabama, but it's actually Moab. We're in Moab, Utah. Moab, Utah. We started at Bryce Canyon, it seems like 80 years ago, but it was actually just this morning. And then from Bryce, we drove
several hours to a national park that neither one of us had ever heard of called Capitol Reef, which was also really, really cool. Very different from Bryce Canyon.
It was very, 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 very awesome. And the drive there was absolutely amazing.
Yeah, it was gorgeous.
Yeah.
We had a really neat picnic when we got there. We picked up food on the way in. We saw deer. It did start to rain. We probably cut our visit there short just a little bit just because it was raining. We did get to see the petroglyphs. Then we headed towards Moab. We're going to go find something for dinner tonight here locally and then hopefully get a good night's rest.
Tomorrow we're going to the Arches. We saw the entrance to the Arches National Park when we came into Moab today. I hear that's a really amazing one. So it's smaller, can accommodate less people, so we're gonna get there really early, hopefully get in a really cool hike, and we're gonna see how it goes tomorrow.
First stop this morning is Arches National Park. And we've been having like really hazy, smoky skies. I mean, not terrible, but today it is perfect. We've got some cloud cover that's keeping it cool. The sky is bright and it's just breathtaking.
It really is gorgeous, and we are going to get a little bit deeper into the national park so that we can see some of the most interesting of the rock formations and canyons, or whatever we call these things. But it certainly is beautiful and interesting.
Park stop of the afternoon is actually a state park. It is the Dead Horse Point State Park, not a national park, but it is a massive gorge that's been cut by the Colorado River. It is unbelievably breathtaking. It's cool here this morning. It rained most of the night, and I can tell you it's been a welcome relief. It gets really hot here in the summer. This morning we will be leaving our hotel in Moab, and we will be boarding a train, the Rocky Mountaineer. The next part of our trip takes us by rail. We go to Glenwood Springs in Colorado. We spend the night there in Glenwood Springs, and then the next day we're headed towards Denver. We are told that the views on this train ride are unbelievable, and that the train is just an incredible, luxurious, fun experience. So as much as we have enjoyed the national state parks, we're really looking forward to the next chapter.
I wonder if I should go to the restroom before we go.
Probably a good idea.
We have spent a lovely night in Glenwood Springs. Our train got here last night about 6, I don't know, it was maybe 7, 8 o'clock at night. We spent the evening over here at the quaint little Hotel Denver, an old boutique hotel right here in the center of town.
Glenwood Springs is known for its hot springs. It's a really cool historic town. We grabbed a cab and we went to the Iron Mountain Hot Springs. We love the 104 degrees best.
Yep, it was great. I just wanted to get in bed and go to sleep, and he said, when are you ever going to come this way again? I said, we're going to the hot springs, so I put on my swimsuit and went to the hot springs, and it was great.
Today we're going to board the train, and we are all day on the train as we head to Denver. We're looking forward to seeing a lot of just gorgeous sights along the way of the Rockies.
I mean, it was beautiful coming through the canyons on the way from Moab here to Glenwood Springs, so can't wait to see what we have
Can't
today.
wait for today's ride. Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Wonderful.
Welcome aboard.
Good morning.
Good morning.
The last 2 days that we spent on the Rocky Mountaineer have been absolutely amazing. It was a great way to wrap up our great out west adventure. We started in Vegas, made our way all the way into coming into Denver right now. 2 days aboard this train, the Rocky Mountaineer.
We covered a lot of ground, great food, beautiful scenery. It's been an unbelievable experience.
So great.
We share our favorite food and wine experiences on Fridays.
Click on the bell on your screen and get notified of all of our new adventures.